Witness the vast, meticulously organized banana plantations where nature's bounty thrives. Harvested banana bunches begin their automated journey on the advanced cableway system. The journey begins as fresh bananas embark on their path to transformation. Advanced robotics meticulously begin the journey, transferring raw materials from truck to processing lines. The automated ballet begins, with flawless synchronization guiding every banana. Through state-of-the-art precision, the raw harvest embarks on its transformative journey. From truck to processing, a seamless blend of power and precision drives efficiency. Multiple robotic titans orchestrate a symphony of automated unloading and transport. Advanced machinery, meticulously engineered, ensures purity and speed. Giant automated systems begin the meticulous journey of preparing each banana. Precision technology ensures every banana meets stringent quality standards. High-speed optical scanners analyze each banana for perfect sorting. Separated by ripeness and size, bananas are channeled with robotic precision. This seamless automation guarantees consistent quality for dried banana production. Every stage is carefully monitored, ensuring only the finest bananas proceed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. From raw bunch to sorted perfection, automation powers our commitment to excellence. Giant automated cranes transport green banana bunches into precisely controlled ripening environments. Inside these chambers, precise atmospheric controls will orchestrate nature's transformation. A remarkable time-lapse sequence begins, capturing nature's perfect transition. The green hue gradually recedes, replaced by developing golden tones. Achieving a perfect, uniform yellow, each banana is now optimally ripe. Human expertise complements automation, ensuring only the finest bananas proceed. The perfectly ripened bananas are gently retrieved, ready for the next stage. From controlled chambers, the perfect fruit moves to the next automated phase. Precision sorting ensures only the highest quality bananas continue their journey. Advanced climate systems precisely maintain optimal conditions for natural ripening. With precision and efficiency, every banana reaches its peak, ready for transformation. Advanced automation swiftly prepares each banana for its transformation. The journey continues as each banana enters the heart of the colossal peeling machine.
Audio is characterized by the quiet, precise whirring and humming of robotic servos.
From colossal machines, perfectly peeled bananas emerge, ready for the next step. The automated peeling line operates with immense precision and speed, a marvel of modern engineering. Inside, targeted water jets cleanse and prepare each banana for perfect peeling. The continuous flow of immaculate peeled bananas speaks volumes of the machine's efficiency. Multiple bananas undergo the peeling process simultaneously, showcasing impressive throughput. Human expertise guides these monumental machines, ensuring quality at every turn. Thousands of perfectly peeled bananas embark on their journey along the main conveyor line. Advanced optical sensors meticulously inspect each banana, ensuring only the finest quality proceeds. The automated system ensures precise routing, directing each banana to its designated next stage. Colossal machinery springs to life, preparing the right bananas for their transformation into uniform slices. A mesmerizing ballet of precision, hundreds of blades creating a continuous, perfect spray of banana slices. Each banana undergoes an identical transformation, sliced into perfection by cutting-edge technology. Through advanced optics and sensors, every banana is perfectly positioned for the flawless cut. The journey continues. From precise slicing, the perfect banana segments move swiftly to their next destination. Vibrating shakers gently settle the slices, ensuring every piece is perfectly positioned for even dehydration. Multi-tiered trays laden with banana slices ascend, entering the vast dehydration chambers with calculated precision. From above, the automated spreading area is a marvel of efficiency, orchestrating a ballet of precision and scale. Skilled operators meticulously monitor the sophisticated machinery, ensuring flawless, continuous production. Trays of fresh bananas begin their automated journey into the colossal dehydration tower. Inside, precise environmental controls ensure optimal drying conditions for every banana. Automated systems manage countless trays, ensuring uniform drying and consistent quality. After hours of precise drying, the bananas emerge transformed, ready for the next stage. From raw fruit to perfectly dried snack, this tower is a marvel of food technology. Precision drying within the tower gently transforms fresh slices into golden, sweet delights. Through advanced air currents, moisture is precisely extracted, ensuring optimal texture and flavor. Automated systems meticulously control temperature and airflow, ensuring uniform drying for every single slice. Advanced infrared sensors continuously monitor each slice, guaranteeing precise drying completion. Robotic precision ensures gentle handling, moving the delicate dried slices to the next processing stage. Each individual dried banana slice embodies the perfect balance of sweetness and texture. A river of perfectly dried banana slices begins its journey, ready for precise weighing. Advanced machinery meticulously weighs each portion, ensuring consistent quality. Precision sorting begins, with each batch meticulously weighed by state-of-the-art technology. The vast scale of automation showcases efficiency in every carefully weighed banana slice. Precision automation ensures every bag receives the perfect measure of our premium dried bananas. Thousands of perfectly sealed bags move swiftly along, ready for their next journey. Advanced scanning technology ensures every product meets our rigorous quality standards. Skilled technicians monitor every intricate step, ensuring seamless operation. Precision robotics ensure each package is handled with utmost care and efficiency. Automated systems meticulously stack the finished product for distribution. Every pallet reflects our commitment to quality and organized production. Precision automation guides finished products from production to distribution with seamless efficiency.